All right, in this brief video, I'm going to take you through and show you how to do some programming of the channel section of channel control. All right, to get started, the first thing we need to do really is just select a channel. So we're going to program in this module right here. So I'm going to select a channel, and then I'm going to select channel in the channel control. And of course, that gives us, in the default settings, it gives us kind of a channel strip. We get input controls, the 4 bands of equalizer, compressor, gate, and 4 auxes. But of course, we can make that anything we want it to be. We can design up our own set of controls that'll be global across the console. All right, so first, usually if I'm doing this, I want to decide whether I'm just going to edit what is currently existing or I'm going to replace the entire thing with a custom layout. So I'll show you both of those quickly because they're slightly different routines. So the way we get into programming mode in the first place is just simply to press the channel button and hold it down until we get a screen prompt that says you're in channel control assignment mode, or we can see the OK and the cancel flashing. The other indicator obviously is that we have a red flashing encoder in our set of knobs, and that is the targeted encoder. That's the one we're going to put a new piece of control on, and we can readdress that red flashing control anywhere that we want to place a new control. All right. So for this first example, I'm just going to give you the example of I'm just going to modify slightly what is there, and maybe I just want to pick 4 different auxes in the auxiliaries. So I'm going to go up to the first auxiliary, and the way I choose what is going to be on there is in an adjacent set of 8 channels. So I go to I'm just going to go to the one that is right next to it here, and I'm going to select a channel there. And I'm going to go to auxes 1 through 32. And instead of aux 1 there, I'm going to choose aux 16. And notice it moves right to the next encoder, which is right where I want it to go. And I'm going to put number 29 there, number 32 there, and then I'll go all the way out and put number 64 there. Now, if that's what I want to have done and I'm finished, I just simply OK out of it using the OK button in the MLM, and you'll notice that that's how it comes up now. Now, all we've done is modify the auxes that show up now in channel control. All right, and again, that's on a global basis for the time being in the console. Whenever we choose channel control, these are the controls that will come up in that channel selection. Okay. If we want to be more extreme, we want to say, you know what, I'm going to redesign my entire channel strip. How do I actually clear it out of there and start again? Well, we go to the software for that first move, and we're going to go to an inputs page and right click over any one of the controls, meaning gain or the high pass filter, etc., to pull up a right click menu. And we're going to go to channel control and say clear all assignments. Okay, so once I clear all assignments and I say OK to clear, notice that all of the console assignments are clear now in channel control for the channel section, and I'm going to reprogram it now. So I'm going to go hold down until I get into assignment mode. Notice I have the red flashing encoder. I'm going to go to my adjacent set of knobs over here, and I'm going to choose input, and this time I'm going to put gain. I'm going to put some delay. Whoops. Actually, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to put delay here. And here I'm going to put the compressor threshold here. Let's do that. And here I'm going to put the direct output. So there's direct output. Okay. Maybe in this next section, maybe I'll design up a different equalizer, a different style of equalizer. I'll go to a more channel strip style equalizer as opposed to the horizontal equalizer that we have currently in S6L. So to do that, I'm going to use 2 hands actually. So I'm going to go low gain, the next set of gains. So I've got all my gains in a row now. Now I'm going to go frequency. Oops. And now I'm going to go Q. All right, so I've got my equalizer in a vertical fashion now, just like we would see on a normal channel strip. And I'm just going to take the rest of that and fill it with the auxes that I regularly visit during my show. So again, I'm just going to go aux and then redirect my target and redirect my target one more time. And finally fill in these last 3 or 4 with auxes here. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to OK out of that, and then that is my new channel strip that I've designed up to be used anytime I press the channel button in channel control. All right, that's programming up the channel section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check back for more S6L operational videos. We'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye-bye.